how to use the same WhatsApp for both iPhone. You can see I'm using my same WhatsApp for those iPhones. So how I do it? For that, you can see if I go to the setting link device, then you can see iPhone is active. For example, I just remove this option, then it will be removed from my iPhone. So you have to open your WhatsApp, then press on agree and condition. Now press on three dotted line and then press on link as website. Now other WhatsApp, go to setting, go to link device, then press on link device. Now press on OK. Now just scan this code, and here you can see another option, link with a phone number instead, but I want to stay with my scan. Then set any name. For example, I am setting name as second iPhone, second iPhone, then press on save. Then I can easily recognize that. Then you can see same WhatsApp for both iPhone. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.